Howdy, I'm Chef Aaron Neale. Today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're going to grind our own venison burger. The first thing we did, we've got our roast and hindquarter pieces here. We just cleaned off all the silver skin, the membrane and stuff, and came up with nice chunks like this. About 1-inch venison chunks. We got 4 pounds of venison and 1 pound of beef fat. That'd be 80-20, if my math's right. Yeah, this is William Ransdell. He's helping me today. It's always nice to have a little help on these bigger jobs. So I'm going to go ahead and have him start grinding that up. There's some gloves there if you want them. If not, just dig in there. I don't care. Talkative fella, ain't he? Wait a minute. Now turn that thing on.
Throwing the majority of your venison in there, and every now and again throwing a piece of fat in with it. Just kind of, that way it makes it a little easier to mix at the end.
Right, you just put a little of the beef in there, or that venison in there, run it through, and a little bit of fat right after it, right?
Yep.
It's already mixing pretty well, as you can see. Proceed. Now that we got our 5 pounds grounded, he's just mixing it all real thoroughly with his hands to make sure all that fat and venison is incorporated evenly. Now that we got that part done, I'm going to take this pound of deer meat and do a HashBrown Casserole for you. It's going to be really, really good. You like HashBrown Casserole?
Love it.
Absolutely loves it. While we're browning this venison, we're going to go ahead and hit it with some of the Neale's campfire, give it some spice. Lots of good flavors. You can smell that stuff as soon as it hits the pan, can't you, Willie?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's get started on the other ingredients. Now the filling, we need to season it too. If you don't have any Neale's all-purpose, you can just use salt, pepper, garlic salt, I mean. This stuff is pretty alright. It's got all that stuff already in it. About 2 big tablespoons. Mix that all in real well. Can you see it?
I can see it.
Good, good, good. Now you're gonna get your drained green beans, flop them in there. Go ahead and stir them in. Now, that stuff's cooked down pretty good. I'm gonna add my onion. Got half of a big yellow onion there, about a cup or so. Let that cook down till they're translucent clear and not crunchy. Not for this. I gotta put more campfire on them onion. Good enough. Take your ground deer meat, mix it right in with the other fixings here. Now, what I'm gonna do, we got a 2 pound thing of tots. About half of it right in there with it. And I'm gonna put it all in there. That's how I'm gonna do it. Sometimes I fly by the seat of my pants. Casserole dish. Plop it right in there. Spread it out evenly. All right. Now the reason I bought 2 things of tater tots is because I like crispy tater tots, so I'm going to put tater tots on top of my tater tot casserole. I don't know if you call that a double tot casserole or something. Pretty good sized casserole dish. Feed 10, 15 kids with this, or one or two real hungry drunk buddies. Got my oven set at 425. Flop it in there until it's done. I don't really know how long that's gonna be, so I'll let you know. Till them tater tots get real good and crispy until what I think they're doing. All right, let's get this show on the road. You rolling?
Yes, sir.
All right, homie. Oh yeah. I did about 5 minutes ago turn this on broil, so go ahead and crisp up them top tater tots. Oh baby. Got one more step. Like I say, can't have no too much cheese. Go ahead and put your little cheese on top of this stuff too. You want it to be really, really good. Pop it back in there for just a few seconds. That high broil. All right, what's that been, a minute? Yep. Total cook time was approximately 30 minutes. If 30 minutes ain't long enough, just cook it longer. That's all you gotta do. To be honest with you, we kind of lost track of time. Oh, that looks good. I'm gonna top it off with a little green onion. That really set her off. Go ahead and see what you taste like. Hotter than a fresh fox in a forest fire. I had to say it. My bad. We needed a buck grind or something. I didn't do too much dancing. There it is, deer meat casserole. You guys and gals should try it. If you like this recipe, if you've seen any of my other shows and like those recipes, if you like anything we're doing, if anything at all, go ahead and subscribe, like me, share me around a little bit. And until next time, I'm Chef Neale. Good luck and good cooking. Is that a wrap? I wouldn't mind wrapping.
Oh.
This is good, boy. Get over here and try this, Willie. Brant.
Okay. Oh, it's down.
Still rolling?
Yes.
Yeah. If you don't like that, Willie, you need to go get to a doctor. You want some casserole with them onion? What is it?
I don't know.
You trapped him in there.
Trap him in there. I'll get something.
I think it's one of them pterodactyl mosquitoes. Got like a 6-foot wingspan. I guess our light's drawing into bugs. Are you quick enough? Oh, dang.
Ain't danced one time.
I gotta dance.